The storm was rolled, the tomb was cold. They thought the story had been told, but in the dark, before the dawn, death's power broke, its chains were gone. The earth shook and the angels cried. What was lost is now alive.